Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper firecracker. So I've already posted a lot of videos in my channel for Diwali, so you guys can watch that. I've posted like about 5 to 6 videos. So in Tamil we call this firecracker as a saravedi. So it makes a lot of noise and bursts. So it usually has red chips like this, and if you we're supposed to put the fire over here and it will start bursting like this until all these red things are gone. So if your children are small and if you don't want them to burst crackers, you can make this and show them, and they won't be jealous of any other children, and this will look really realistic. So without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this different firecracker. So first, for this activity, I'm just going to be taking a red piece of paper like this. So this is just the remaining part. So I'm just going to be cutting the paper at the corner parts to make it even. Like this, and I'm cutting the paper on this side as well because it's not even at all. It's just the remaining part. So now we'll have a proper rectangle. So I'll show you guys two techniques. I'm only going to be making one technique over here, but I'll tell you using words about how to make the other technique. So for this, I'm just going to be folding the paper in half on this side. So now we're supposed to fold the paper in half one more time. So if you guys want, you can fold it one more time as well. So I'm just going to be folding it one more time, and I'm opening the paper like this. So if you count, we'll have 8 boxes or strips like this. So I'm just going to be cutting 2 parts like this. So you guys can cut one by one so that we'll get totally 8 parts. But if you make 8 parts, it will be hard to roll them. So I'm just going to be making 4 parts over here. So after we get these four parts, we're just supposed to roll them slowly like this. So we're just supposed to roll them slowly in this way. So it's a bit hard to roll. So if you guys want, you can also fold it in this way. So after we fold it, I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. To apply some glue here, I'm sticking it like this. So you guys can do this slowly. So I'm just going to be doing this in a very fast manner. So we have to repeat the same step for all the red strips we made. So you guys can make like about 10 to 15 strips like this to make it more bigger. I'm just going to be making it smaller. So we have to repeat the same step to all of these, as I said. So now I've completed doing this step for all of these. So now I'm just going to be lining all of these red strips like this. So now I'm just going to be taking a white paper over here. So now I'm just going to be cutting out a small rectangle out of this white paper. One second, I'll show you guys. So now we have this white strip. So I'm just going to be applying some glue all along this white strip. So as I said, you guys can use tape as well. So now I'm spreading the glue. So after you spread the glue, I'm just keeping this part at the bottom, and I'm going to be sticking one part over here, and now I'm sticking the next parts around here as well. So we have to give it some time to dry. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the same white paper again, and I'm just going to be cutting out another rectangle, stick it over here. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the back part of the rectangle. So you can apply the glue onto the white part as well, then you can stick it. So after we complete this, I'm just taking this part slowly over here. So after we complete this, we're supposed to stick this part, and our paper saravedi is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper Saraf firecracker, and it is useful too. So now I'll be telling you guys another technique. I'm not going to be making it, I'm just going to be telling it orally. So you guys cannot have to make this in a bigger size. You can just cut it in half and you can roll more of it. So now we just have to take these two rectangles. So after we take these two rectangles, we just have to take a rectangular strip of paper and we have to stick it in under the two rectangles, and you can make many more of these like that. Now you can just take this white piece of paper and you can stick it like this. So this is just another way, because it's going to be looking like this in the same way. I made this using the same method. So if you guys can see, I sticked a few rectangles inside over here. I think it's not visible, but I repeated the same step. So we just have to take I stick another color paper over here, so if you guys see, it's visible. So we just have to insert that paper at the bottom part and our celebrity will be ready. So you guys can use another techniques as well using your own creativity. So now, as I said, our paper blaster is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.